Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Google Ads is widely regarded as one of the most effective platforms for business to advert online, especially through search ads and the pay per click PPC model. Here, a detailed review of show search ads and PPC work on Google Ads. What are search ads in Google Ads? Search ads are the text-based advertisement that appear at the top or bottom of Google search engage result page when users search for specific keyword. These ads are triggered by user queries and appear as relevant sponsored result designed to match user search intent. For example, if someone search for bus running shoes, ads for shoe retailer might appear above the organic result, showing their product for service. How to PPC model work in Google Ads? Pay per click PPC is the pricing model behind Google Ad, where advertisers online pay when someone click on their ad. This makes PPC an efficient advertising model, as advertisers are charged based on actual engagement rather than just impression. The number of times the ad is shown. Google uses an action system to determine which ads appear for each keyword. Search advertiser bid on specific keyword and factors such as bid amount, quality score, which is based on ad relevant, expected click through rate and leading page experience, and ad extensive determine the ad rank benefit of Google Ad search. Ads target reach. Search ads allow advertisers to target users who are actively searching for specific product, service, or information. This means you are reaching people at the moment the experience intent to buy or learn more, resulting in higher conversion potential. Control our budget with PPC. How have full control over your detailed budget and maximum bids for keyword. Whether you are a small business or large corporation, you can adjust your spending to fit your marketing budget, ensuring cost-effective, measurable result. Google Ads provides real-time data on key performance metrics such as click impression, click-through rate (CTR), conversion rate, and cost per click (CPC). This level of detail allows you to optimize your campaign to get the best return on investment. Immediate visibility. Search ads give your business instant exposure at the top of Google search result, even above the organic result. This can lead to more click, website traffic, and potentially more conversion, especially for competitive keyword. Customizability. You can tailor your searching ads by using various ad format and extension like site links, call buttons, or location information, which make your ads more motive and clickable. This customization help improve the ad relevance and increase the likelihood of click. Challenge of Google Ads search ads cost of for competitive keywords. Some industries like insurance, legal service, or real estate have very high cost per click CPC rate, often reaching $50 or more per click. For competitive keyword advertiser in this space need to have a higher budget to stay competitive. Need for constant optimization to get the most out of Google Ads. You need to regularly monitor and adjust your campaign. This include optimizing bid, adjusting keyword targeting, improving and copy, and refining landing page based on performance data. If you don't stay on top of it, your campaign may not yield to best ROI. Thank you for watching this video.